Hello everyone, this is Dr. Mitesh Gala. Welcome to Rough Book, a learning companion.
Hi guys, we finished exercise 5D. Dr. Mitesh Gala here. Let's proceed with 5E and try and finish this chapter today in this video. So the first question, as you can see, this has one part and this has the second part. But in order to understand how to solve this part, we'll have to understand it further. Let's say if I take x plus 1 by 2x, that is the square root of these two, the whole square. What will I get? A square, b square, 2 times ab. So when I apply 2 times ab, 2 gets cancelled and the x also gets cancelled. So I just get 1 over here. So that is this one. So basically when I expand this part, it is going to be a square b square plus 2 times a into b. So this gets cancelled. And this is 2 over here, so that also gets cancelled. So only 1 is left, that's why this 1. So I can directly write this as x plus 1 by 2x the whole square. When you expand this, a square b square 2 times ab, x gets cancelled, 2 gets cancelled, so only 1. So I hope you understand this factorizing part. Minus 7 common, x, I can't pull this x common, it's in the numerator and denominator, both are separate. Minus has come out, so plus 1 by 2x. So what is left? What I can pull now common is x plus 1 by 2x. So here what is left is x plus 1 by 2x. Here what is left is only minus 7, and I can stop myself. Yeah. The only clue is to understand that this 1 is a part of this and x plus 1 by 2x the whole square. If you still not got it, go to a rough page and solve this. Automatically you will get the same answer and you will understand how to go about with this sum. Yeah. Come on, take the next one. Next one slightly tricky. You will need to pay attention. You will not be able to go ahead. So better pay attention please. X square. First I am splitting the LCM. So I will get x square. A gets cancelled. So A 1 by A into x plus 1. So x square. A into x, ax, 1 into x, x by a plus 1. Now you'll have to rearrange the terms. Take the first and the third. So x square x plus a plus ax plus 1. Now when I take x common in the first part, I will get x plus 1 by a. But here I can't take anything common. So try and understand the trick over here. If I take x common, I will get x plus 1 by a. Since here nothing is common, but what do I want in this part here is x plus 1 by a. So to get x plus 1 by a, I'll have to supply this 1 with a by a. Let me write, then I will re-explain this. X plus a by a. So instead of this 1, I have written a by a. When I cancel this, it becomes 1. Why did I supply a by a? So that I can pull a common and I can get x plus 1 by a, which matches with this part. So in order to match this part, we supplied this a by a. So this is a very crucial part, a by a, which comes in the place of 1. And a by a, when you cancel, it becomes 1 only. Why did you supply? So that both of these match each other. So then I will get x plus 1 by a and x by a. That should be my final answer. I hope you are clear with the sum. It's a good question. So please see to it, you pay attention to the question, you try solving it. You can go back to the video and check if you followed or not followed. Let's go to the next one, sum number 5. So fifth one, we had done this time. If you remember, you had to split this. There were 2 rules I told you. One, when you split, it should help this one to become the whole square, and the other part should be a square number, perfect square. You remember that? So if I take 4x square, on a rough side, you can take 2x the whole square. Correct? 2x square plus 3y square the whole square. When I solve this, I will get 4x square plus 9y square plus 2ab. 2ab will be 2 to the 4, 4 3 the 12, x square y square. So if I split this as 12, okay? If I split this as 12, my other part will be minus 1. Because 12 minus 1 will give me 11. And 1 is a perfect square. That's what I told you. So when I say perfect square, that's what we are expected to do. Now this will become my first part. So that will be 2x plus 3y the whole square. Split and see, a square, b square, 2ab. Are you getting it? And this will be xy the whole square. So the main clue is to understand how to split this in two parts. So we got two parts over here. The first one is 12, second one is this. How did I come to know 12? I just picked this, solved it in the rough, a square, b square, 2ab. So the 2ab told me that I need this. So I put this as first part, second part automatically minus 1. Take this further, a plus b and a minus b. I can't do anything further, so we'll have to stop the sum there itself. Yeah? Are you with me till here? Come on. This one's simple, sum number 7. Try going ahead, pause the video, come on. So a minus b, I'm pulling out 4 common. So a square, since minus is pulled, this will become minus b square. So a minus b, I'm putting it in one bracket, and this I can write it as a plus b, a minus b. I can pull a minus b common further. So what will be left here is 1 minus 4 times a plus b. Yeah, because this is gone out. If you want to simplify it further, so minus 4a minus 4b, that's what your final answer will be. How many of you have got this on their own? Yeah, that's good. Let's go to the next one. I want you to try sum number 9. So sum number 9, we've done this type also before. I'm sure you will be able to manage. You can clearly see this and this same. So I can say let a square minus 3a be x. Come on, take it forward, pause the video, solve. Don't forget to resubstitute. So x plus 7 plus 10. So what will I get? X square plus 7x plus 10. Split the middle term and you will be able to get the rest of the sum. So x square 5, 2s are 10 and 5 plus 2 7. X common, so x plus 5 plus 2 common, x plus 5. So x plus 5, x plus 2. People come here, they get excited and they leave the sum there itself. Don't forget, you need to resubstitute. So resubstitute. So x will become a square minus 3a plus 5 and a square minus 3a plus 2. Now if this can be split further, you need to do that. For example, 5 ones are not possible. But here 2 ones are minus 2 minus a possible. So then I'll have to split this one at least. So this stays as it is. But this one I shall split as 2a minus a plus 2. So I will get a square minus 3a plus 5. A common, a minus 2 minus 1, a minus 2. So my final answer a square minus 3a plus 5, a minus 2, a minus 1. I hope you remember this. Good question again. From exam point of view, we had done this type in the previous exercise. I hope you can manage to do it. How many got it on their own? Super. Let's go to the next one. Sum number 11. x4, y4 minus 3x square, y square. Yeah, this is splitting this again. Just like this sum it is. The one which we did right now. Yeah, it's like this one, where we split the two parts, the 11. Likewise 3 you will have to split. So common sense, x4, y4, 2 times x square, y square, minus x square, y square. So this itself is a perfect square, and this part is going to help me to get x square minus y square the whole square. Minus because this is minus. Minus xy the whole square. A plus b, a minus b. So a plus b and a minus b. Nothing can be done further, so your answer stays there itself. This is again similar to the one which we did just now, this one. So we had this common, we considered it as x. So here these parts are not exactly common yet. You will have to make it common. So 3x minus 2y the whole square. Pull out minus and then this will become same. So now I will say let 3x minus 2y be a. So this will, you can't take it x again because x is already used. So 12a square minus a minus 1. So 12 ones are 12, that will be 4 3s are the splitting part. So minus 4a plus 3a. Common is 4a. So I will get 3a minus 1. Common nothing, so I just write 1. So 3a minus 1. So 3a minus 1, 4a plus 1. Resubstituting. So 3 times a. A is 3x minus 2y minus 1. So that's my first box. The second one 4a. So a again 3x minus 2y. A is from here plus 1, another box. So my final answer then will be 3 into 3 9x minus 6x minus 1 in one bracket. 4 3s are 12x minus 8y plus 1, another bracket. So that should be my final answer. So the main thing that we need to remember is that this and this should be same. If it is not same, pull out the minus sign, make it same. Now that they are same, I can consider as x, and then further you can go ahead in order to get the answer of the final part. How many managed to get it? Great. The next question, sum number 15. Come on, try and solve it. The clue is again the same type, pull minus 5 common, and then you will get something equal, and then you can go ahead and solve the sum. So I will get 3 times minus 5 common, x minus y, because 5 has been pulled and minus also has been pulled. 12 times x minus y the whole square. Now both are same, so I will say let x minus y be a. So 3 minus 5a minus 12a square. So 12 3s are 36. For 5 I will write it as 9. 4s are. So 9 times 4. Factorize 3 common, 1 minus 3a plus 4 common, 4a common. Don't forget 4a. So this will be 1 minus 3a. So 1 minus 3a, 3 plus 4a. Resubstitute. Let's see what do we get after resubstituting. So 1 minus 3 times a. A is x minus y in big box, and 3 times 4a. Again a is x minus y, bigger box. So I'll get 1 minus 3x plus 3y. 3 plus 4x minus 4y. That becomes my final answer. Yeah? How many managed to get it? Super. 17th. We had done this step in the first exercise or second, I don't remember, where we multiplied this with this. So 5 2s are 10. Root 3 is 3, so 3. So 30. So for 30 the splitting factor is 6 and 5. You remember the cheating I taught you? So 2 root 3x square, 6x minus 5x. So 6 minus 5 gives me 1, 6 5s are 30. Now here it's difficult to find out what's common, but here it's simple. So start with the part which is simple. So I can pull minus 5 common, x plus root 3, because minus has been pulled. Same thing has to come here, so we are cheating now, x plus root 3 first. So if I pulled x, what is left here is root 2 root 3x. Open and see, this is sorted. 3 into 3 is 3, so 2 3s are 6 and x. So both are sorted. Now whatever is common I'll pull out, x plus root 3 and 2 root 3x minus 5. Yeah? I hope you managed. Sum number 19. Come on. This is again a good question. Put a star besides it. You need to first open the bracket. So 2ab plus 2cd minus a square, b square, c square, d square. What to do now? So identify the families. Yeah, ab and cd. So let's bring the cd's first, because this minus we'll put later. So I will get c square, d square, 2cd together, putting in one box. And here these parts, so I'm minus a square minus b square plus 2ab. First let's pull minus common. This can be written as c plus d the whole square. First pulling the minus common, so all signs change. And now in the second part, this also will be a minus b the whole square. Now a square minus b square again. Wow, what a question. So first you got this, you got the families together, you brought the minus sign outside, and now that you've reached here, so a plus b, a minus b will be both signs affecting. So minus 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 plus. Fair enough? Yeah? Okay, this is simple. I am sure you can manage. Pause video, go ahead. This can be written as 1000 minus 3 minus 13 square. Oh, we can do it a plus b, a minus b, my bad. So A plus B, A minus B. So this will become 1000 and this will become 974. Am I right? 4 plus 3, 7, 8. Correct. So final answer 974,000. Simple. Few more questions of similar type. 20 part 3. Try solving it. So what will I get over here? A square minus B square. So A plus B, A minus B. Denominator A minus B. So can I cancel my denominator? 6 plus 3, 9 and 1. So 10. So I got my first answer straight away. Yeah. Likewise, you are going to apply here A plus B and A minus B upon 18 plus 5. Sorry, 18.5 plus 6.5. Again, this getting cancelled. So I get 12 straight away as my answer. 18.5 minus 6.5 becoming 12. Simple. Okay, your homework exercise 5E 2, 4, 6, 10, 12, 14, 16 and 18. Yeah, 18. The last one we did was 19 and 20. Correct. So 18. That should be your homework. I want you to solve these sums separately. So this video sums you are doing with me in your notebook. This separately as your homework.
Hope you had a lovely mathematics experience with the Rough Book, our learning companion.